all the coders. I just told her make a story. I just bought all the Trojans. I told her stab my lips. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she got it.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, it's been like a month, but I took a little break. I had some things to do and I'm back and better than ever. So I got this install. We're going to be playing in a 4x4, okay? Chocolate brown, beautiful ass wig from Nadula. The lace is light brown and yeah, and that's it. And it's 180% density. And I'm just going to be taking my hot comb. Wait a minute. Oh my god, I hate freaking voiceovers. Anyways, you guys, so where was I? Hot comb, yes. So I'm going to be hot combing this hair back because it was very frizzy. I think once I started dyeing the hair, it get really frizzy, but it did not shed. Nadula hair does not shed. That's for damn sure. Maybe just a little bit, but it is really frizzy. So I'm taking this primer, or I took my primer and sprayed it on my head, little smoke sesh with the vape. Yeah, I'm gonna take this wig lace glue. I don't know why I'm a soft trap. Okay, so I got the glue from my beauty supply store. It is by Eben. It's maximum strength. It's black with the gold top. If you're interested, it was only like $18 and it's strong. Only did 2 layers and it lasted for like 2 weeks. I still am rocking the wig right now. I wear my wigs for a long time. Like, I don't have enough money to just be buying wigs and switching them up every week. I don't got the money like that. I'm not balling yet. We're not balling yet, YouTube. So yeah, I'm gonna take the spray, the Eben Black Freeze Spray, and spray it all along the lace, like so, to get it even more melted. And I'm going to be using my hot comb on 500 degrees. I get it really hot, and I'm gonna be taking my blow dryer, really hot, high heat, and melting everything in like so. So after I blow dry the glue and get it nice and dry, I'm gonna be taking my hot comb, yes, hot comb again, because we like flat wigs over here at the Carmen D channel, Barbie, Black Barbie channel. We like flat wigs, not lumpy, humpy, hump wigs. I'm gonna be taking my headband. This is a regular black headband because I couldn't find my ultimate milk belt, and yeah, set that in for 10 minutes. And I know what you guys are thinking, why does the footage look so weird? But I don't know, I have an iPhone or not, I can't, but we're gonna fix that. So yeah, this is it. I'm just showing you how it's looking. It's not set to perfection. That's not what I wanted. I just wanted all the frizzies to be pressed out. I'm pressing out the hair. I'm going to go ahead and conceal my part, and I did use my e.l.f. concealer, and I think the color is like chocolate or something like that. Not really sure, but I think it is. I think that's the color of a scalp. Scalps are not red, they're not brown. I think that's the color. I'm gonna take my hairspray, set that all in, and yes, looking good, because we're going to go ahead and do some crimps. And yeah, that's the finishing look on the flat. We don't want to perfect it, just getting the frizzies out so my crimps can look jazzy, like so. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and share. And if you want to throw a comment, be nice. Don't come at me in the comments, but be nice, please. And tell me how pretty this is. And yes, this is how the final touches are coming along. I did use my Shy, or is it Chi hairspray, to shine it up, jazz it up, and my bio silk to hold it in place. And I'm just going to be, playing with the crimps, spreading them apart like so. And yeah, this is the final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, like I said. And stay tuned to the next one. Love you guys. Bye. Stay blessed. Deuce.